This sweet and spicy beef with 5-ingredient firecracker sauce is a recipe worth craving. I'm serving it with brown rice noodles because I was in the mood for a saucy noodle bowl, but you can serve it over rice or just with extra stir-fried veggies. I found myself using a lot of ground beef and chicken in recipes lately because I'm in a season of rushing around and needing quick protein sources that will cook up in minutes. I love that ground meat is also a more affordable option. The key to any ground beef or chicken recipe is, of course, the sauce. This firecracker sauce is the perfect balance of spicy and sweet. In case you're worried about the spiciness, I'm not a huge fan of spice, and this was nowhere near my spice tolerance limit, so I think you'll be okay. Cheers! This sweet and spicy beef with 5-ingredient firecracker sauce is a recipe worth craving. I'm serving it with brown rice noodles because I was in the mood for a saucy noodle bowl. Today we're making a 1-skillet dinner that's ready in under 30 minutes. This ground beef taco skillet is bursting with flavor. It's a dinner that I crave and it could not be easier to make. I love a 1-skillet meal not only because it simplifies the dinner hour so I'm not monitoring multiple hot pans, but also because cleanup is so minimal, which I know dishwasher Kyle definitely approves of. I'm going to give you a little tip. You can use onion and garlic powder in place of chopping up the real deal to make this dinner even easier. The skillet is high in protein and packed with flavor and is sure to be a crowd pleaser in your house. You're going to love it. Cheers! Today we're making a 1-skillet dinner that's ready in under 30 minutes. Today I'm sharing my most popular recipe, my viral chuck roast. Since sharing the recipe last year, I've received hundreds of messages and photos of you enjoying the roast with your family. Some of you make this weekly, you've turned it into an epic taco spread, you've mixed it with barbecue sauce to create the most incredible chuck roast sliders. So many creative ideas. It's been 4 hours, let's check it. It's an honor every time I see you tagging me in your recreations. It's a go-to recipe for me when I'm entertaining and feeding a large crowd. The house smells insanely good. Let me know in the comments how you enjoy this recipe, and if you haven't made it yet, this is
Day 2 of our Christmas recipes. We're making Shanghai stir-fried noodles. Start with some sliced chicken thighs, season with soy sauce, Shaoxing rice wine, little white pepper, and cornstarch. Mix that all together and set aside. Shanghai thick noodles, boil them in hot water, 2 to 3 minutes, and then we strain. Mix together soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, cornstarch, and some water. Oil in a hot wok. Chicken goes in. Add in some cabbage, shiitake mushroom, and onions. Add in our noodles and our sauce. Finish with green onion. This is how you make crispy calamari. A little bit of lemon juice. Let's crack in 1 egg, buttermilk, and some salt. Add in our squid and set this aside. 2 parts all-purpose flour, 1 part cornstarch. Salt, pepper, garlic, paprika, onion powder. Our squid gets tossed in the flour. Drop them into oil at 375. This should only take